Hey folks, I'm Mia here from Organint Health Revelations with a quick guide for us midlifers. If your knees are creaking louder than a rusty gate, turmeric's here to help. Let's explore how to use turmeric for pain with easy science-backed tips. Seriously, get ready to feel awesome? Why is turmeric a pain relief superstar? It's all about the compound. Curcumin, the magic in that golden spice. A 2025 nutrient study showed 500 milligrams of curcumin with piperine cuts osteoarthritis pain by 30% in 12 weeks. Curcumin tames inflammation by shutting down pathways like TNF-α, KB, and IL-6, easing swollen joints. A 2025 phytotherapy research trial found curcumin beats ibuprofen for knee pain without upsetting your tummy. For us over 40, turmeric's a natural fix for turmeric for joint pain. Your joints will love this. Want a quick win? Look for curcumin-derived supplements. They're packed with pain-fighting power. Choose ones with piperine to boost absorption, or go for curcumin CBD extra strengths for chronic aches. Aim for 500 milligrams of curcumin twice daily, with food for strong turmeric for pain relief. Always check with your doctor if you're on meds, as curcumin can interact. Curious about the best options? Our site's got the full rundown. I want to share with you some home-style recipes that can help alleviate pain with the use of turmeric. Love getting hands-on? Try these how to use turmeric for pain recipes. First, golden milk, 5 minutes. Blend 1 teaspoon of the turmeric, milk, 1 teaspoon of honey, and a pinch of black pepper. Sip nightly to soothe arthritis. Or you can try this. Turmeric and tea, 5 minutes. Steep grated turmeric, lemon, and honey in hot water. Simply boil and rest. Perfect for inflammation. Or make turmeric pain paste. 10 minutes. Mix 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder with water to paste. Apply to sore joints and rinse after 20 minutes. These recipes are midlife must-tries. If you want to get the complete rundown, we have left the link to the study in the description here, which include more easy-to-follow recipes, proven, and a rundown of the best verified supplements so you can be sure to stay clear from adulterated brands. That's it! Turmeric for pain relief made simple. For more recipes and tips, visit bestonlineturmericsupplementreviews.com. Turmeric for pain. Grab our free Midlife Turmeric Guide for 2025. Just enter your email. If you found this helpful, we would love your support. Hit that like button, share with your friends who may also be creaking, and subscribe for more midlife health hacks. Let's keep those joints happy. If you have any questions, let's chat in the comments. Organint Health Revelations. Committed to making our aging days better.